You set the alarm for 5 a.m. You promised yourself this time would be different, but when it rings, you hit snooze again. And in that moment, lying there in the dark, you wonder, why can't I just do it? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Motivation isn't the problem. You are fighting the wrong enemy. Let me take you back. I was 23, broke, behind, watching everyone around me win while I was stuck refreshing job applications at 2 a.m. I watched every motivational video on YouTube. I had the quotes saved, the vision boards made, the goals written down. And for 3 days, I was unstoppable. I woke up early, hit the gym, worked on my side hustle. I felt like I cracked the code. Then day 4 came. The fire was gone. The energy vanished, and I was back to square one, hating myself even more because now I was a failure and a quitter. So I did what we all do. I went looking for more motivation, another video, another quote, another pump-up playlist, and the cycle repeated, over and over and over. Here's what I didn't understand. Motivation is a spark, but you can't build a fire with sparks alone. Your brain is not designed to help you succeed. It's designed to keep you alive. And there's a massive difference. Thousands of years ago, your ancestors survived because their brains were obsessed with one thing: conserving energy. If you ran around chasing dreams when you didn't need to, you'd burn calories you couldn't afford to lose. You'd die. That same brain is still running your life today. And every time you try to do something hard, wake up early, start a business, go to the gym, your brain sees it as a threat. It floods you with doubt, fatigue, excuses. It whispers, you don't need to do this today. You can start tomorrow. You're too tired. It's too hard. And here's the brutal part. Your brain is better at this game than you are. It's been playing for millennia. You've been trying for a few weeks. So motivation fails because you're using a feeling to fight an operating system. You're bringing a water gun to a war. Motivation says, I feel like it today. Your brain says, cool, you won't tomorrow. And your brain is always right. I'll never forget the night I figured this out. I was sitting in my car outside a 24-hour diner at 11 p.m. I had just quit another job. Another failure? I was scrolling through Instagram, watching people my age buy houses, start companies, travel the world. And I asked myself the question that breaks you or makes you, what's wrong with me? Then I saw an old man through the diner window. He was wiping down tables, slow, methodical, same motion over and over, and something clicked. He wasn't motivated, I could see it in his eyes, but he was there, doing the work. Not because he felt like it, because it was Tuesday, because the table needed wiping, because that's what he does. That's when I realized successful people aren't more motivated. They've just removed motivation from the equation. They built systems, routines, identities. They made the hard things automatic. And once something is automatic, your brain stops fighting it. So I tested it. I stopped trying to feel like working out. I just put my gym shoes by the door every night. When I woke up, I put them on. No thinking, no deciding, just shoes on, go. First week, my brain screamed at me. Second week, it whispered. Third week, silence. By week 4, I felt weird not going. I didn't need motivation anymore. I had something stronger. I had momentum. But here's the war nobody prepares you for. It's not between you and the goal. It's between who you are and who you need to become. Your current self, comfortable, safe, predictable. Your future self, uncertain, uncomfortable, demanding. And every single day you choose, not with words, with actions. You choose comfort or growth, safety or risk, the couch or the work. Most people choose comfort. Not because they're lazy, because growth feels like dying. You have to kill old habits, old beliefs, old versions of yourself. And your brain hates that. It wants you to stay the same because the same is safe. So the real question isn't, why am I not motivated? The question is, am I willing to become someone new? Because that's what discipline is. It's not motivation, it's transformation. And transformation is violent, it's uncomfortable, it's supposed to hurt. But it's the only way forward. So here's how you win. You stop waiting to feel ready, you stop looking for motivation, you start building non-negotiables. Non-negotiables are the things you do no matter what. Not when you feel like it, not when it's convenient, always. Wake up same time, make the bed, move your body, do the work. You pick 3, that's it. 3 things that happen every single day. And you protect them like your life depends on it, because it does. Your brain will test you, it'll throw excuses, fatigue, distractions, that's the game. But every time you do the thing anyway, you win. Not just the day, the identity. Because you're not just building habits, you're becoming the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. And once you become that person, everything changes. Not because the world changes, because you do. So let me ask you something, not tomorrow, right now. Are you tired of starting over? Are you exhausted from the cycle? Are you done making promises you don't keep? Then stop chasing motivation. It was never the answer. Build the system, choose your 3 non-negotiables, and protect them like they're oxygen. Because 6 months from now, you'll either be someone who talks about change or someone who became it. And that choice, it happens right here, today, this moment. Your brain will fight you. Let it. You're not fighting for a feeling, you're fighting for a future. And every day you show up, even tired, even unmotivated, even broken, you win. Not loud, not flashy, but permanent. That's how you stop failing. That's how you stop starting over. That's how you become inevitable. If this hit different, don't walk away and forget it. Follow Supreme Hustle for daily money psychology. Daily discipline, real strategies, not just hype. I post every single day because transformation isn't a weekend project, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe if you're serious about becoming someone new, because tomorrow I'm dropping another truth you need to hear, and the day after, and the day after that. This is daily warfare, and you don't win by accident, you win by showing up. So follow for daily money psychology, business growth, and the mindset battles nobody else will tell you about. For mindset, discipline, and real talk, go Supreme Hustle. See you tomorrow.